Here Comes Valentine Cat by Deborah Underwood. Hey Cat, any Valentine's Day plans? This is a no Valentine's zone. Why don't you like Valentine's Day, Cat? Valentine's Day doesn't have to be all mushy. Why don't you make a Valentine for a friend? Your stuffed squid? Yes, I'm sure Squiddy would like a Valentine, but maybe someone who isn't a stuffed animal. Can you think of anyone to make a Valentine for? Nobody at all? Aw, Cat. Arroo! My goodness, who's that? Oh, your new neighbor. Have you met him yet? I know he's a dog, but maybe he's a nice dog. Hey, why don't you make Dog a Valentine to welcome him to the neighborhood? Cat, look out! Did Dog throw that? He's thrown lots of bones over the fence? I wonder why. You think he's mean? But you've never met him. Aren't you jumping to conclusions? Yikes! Cat, what are you up to? You are going to give Dog a Valentine? Oh dear. What does it say? Dog, roses are red, violets are blue. Who's the worst neighbor? I think it's you. Cat, that's not exactly what I had in mind. Violets are blue, roses are red. Stop throwing garbage onto my head. Absolutely not. Arroo! Wow, he is kind of loud, isn't he? Cat? Hey, over here, Cat. What do you have there? You're building a rocket? Why? You can't send Dog to the moon. Cat, do you hear me? Oh, good grief. Hey, something landed on top of your rocket. It's a Valentine. What does it say? Dear Cat, Happy Valentine's Day. I hope we can be friends. Dog. P.S. Did you like the ball? It was my favorite. Oh my, Cat. It looks like the ball was a... Yep, and I'll bet those bones were... Yep. Gee, Cat, do you think Dog was howling because he's... lonely? Aw, Cat, it's not too late to be his friend. You have an idea? Another Valentine? What does it say? Roses are red, violets are blue. Dogs are annoying. What? Except for you. Cat, you are full of surprises. Happy Valentine's Day.